The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside quiet waters. Psalm 23, 1-2. Open your heart and receive God's blessings. May you find comfort in knowing that the Lord guides and provides for you. May you trust in His care and protection, knowing you lack nothing when He is with you. May you experience the rest and renewal He offers in green pastures and quiet waters. May peace fill your heart as you rest in His presence and provision.